Hey there, I'm Greg Coopman, and I have been working with database systems, applications, and architecture for over 25 years. I probably have more Microsoft certifications than anyone you have ever known. Sometimes I wonder if this is a good thing, but no matter what, I always enjoy the learning journey needed to get them. My latest certifications are for Azure Data Engineer and Azure Solutions Architect. I have been learning technical skills for well over 25 years, and the most important thing I learned about myself on that journey was the most obvious, and that is that I have a passion for learning and I truly enjoy it. This one fact finally dawned on me in the last several years. Actually, I think everyone has a passion for learning, but this passion only exists when applied to a topic that interests you. And finally, I understood why I work so hard learning, and that is that I love the learning process and the way it made me feel. Have you ever been working on a difficult project, maybe with other people, and at the end of the project, after a lot of work, pain, and suffering, you finally solved the problem and had success? What did you do next? You probably gave everyone a high five or a fist bump, whatever. And it probably turned out to be the best part of your week. It was challenging and ended up making you feel good. Why? Because you worked hard, solved a problem, and learned something important, and that success was shared with others. For me, when I learn something, say on YouTube or at work, I enjoy it even more when I then share that knowledge with others. I am sure only a very tiny percentage of people on this earth probably find the specific technical knowledge I am sharing in my videos as interesting and worth watching. But that's okay. Even if no one ever watches my video, I am still happy because I know I will go back to that video for my own references from time to time instead of having to relearn that same knowledge over and over again because I never documented my findings. But with videos, I'm documenting those findings. If a few people watch it and learn something, that's even better. YouTube is my favorite media to share, and YouTube is my favorite media to learn. And that's what it's all about for me, and maybe for you too. In the last few years, whenever I came across an answer to a problem that is hard to solve or create a coding technique that I think is very useful and unique, I usually try to make a video out of it. I wish I started doing this when my technical career started, or at least when the internet video sharing came about. Also, I must say that I always find it ironic that my best ideas that I have put into videos and worked hardest on always have the least views. Hey, what can you do? This brings me to the second big observation I discovered, and that is there are probably a lot of great unique ideas out there on YouTube that no one knows anything about because they never got enough views to get any momentum, and they ended up on page 100 of your searches and never have a chance of being viewed. I have seen some awesome videos that never received over 40 views, but are actually diamonds in the rough. Those are the ones that I get most excited about and usually throw out a big thank you. I enjoy creating videos, but only when I'm excited about the topic. Hey, I am never going to make money on YouTube. My incentive is that someone just views my video and it helps them. That simple. The third and final observation I made about making YouTube videos and why I encourage you to make your own videos is because making videos has helped me unexpectedly improve important communication skills such as 1. Getting better at organizing my thoughts on the fly. This comes in very handy in both formal and informal meetings. Number 2, I have also become a much more confident speaker at work and in public. Number 3, I am more eager to participate in group discussions and articulate my point of view and ask questions without fear, even in very, very large groups of people. 4, I almost never feel intimidated by anyone, no matter how high ranked they are or powerful or how dynamic they are as a speaker. Selectively using this newfound confidence is very beneficial in getting others to better see things from my point of view. And by the way, the more videos I make, the better these skills seem to get. Creating a video is a non-stop kind of activity that usually takes all day or all weekend until it is completed. To create a half-hour video for me on YouTube usually takes me a minimum, I'd say, of 6 hours. I am not going to tell you what the longest amount of time I took on a video is, because it's just too embarrassing. But once it's done and published out there in the public domain in YouTube, I can access it forever, and other people can also, and that makes me happy. Anyways, I just wanted to let you know who I am, what I think, how I think, and what motivates me. Enjoy learning and appreciate the great access you have to knowledge from YouTube. And also appreciate others who share information in different ways to truly help you also. My ending message to you is take what you learn and use it for good. Stay healthy, stay happy, and help others when you can. Thank you.